Happy Black Friday! I know a lot of you are online looking for those sales, or you've looked at all the flyers and you can't wait to pick out some great gifts for Christmas at a fantastic price. I have seen several online and flyer ads that have essential oil cold diffusers and oils for a fantastic price, and I'm really excited that so many people want to get in on essential oils and they want to learn more. They want to bring them into their home. I mean, who doesn't love a home that smells good? But the more we learn about how essential oils can benefit us, the more we want to learn. Now, before you run out and grab that diffuser with, 3, 4, or 12 oils for 20 bucks, just a quick little public service announcement on my part, and I'm going to kind of compare it to something that makes a lot of sense to us, and it hit me this morning when I was opening up the pantry. Everybody knows what this is, right? This is, we call this maple syrup. This is what so many people put on their pancakes. This is what I put on my pancakes. This is local. Now, here's my point. This is what's called pancake syrup. It doesn't actually say maple syrup on here anymore, but everybody calls it maple syrup. The ingredients list, super interesting. Glucose, fructose, water, cellulose, gum, artificial flavor, salt, caramel color, blah, blah, blah. I don't really have to read everything, but I can tell you, I can absolutely 100% guarantee that there's no maple in here. Not one tree was tapped to make this bottle of pancake/maple syrup. It looks like maple syrup, it runs like maple syrup, it tastes like maple syrup, but it's not maple syrup. This is the same thing as going to the grocery store and buying, I'm trying to hide the labels here, essential oils, or labeled as essential oils. They smell fantastic. They look like, this one for example, peppermint, looks like peppermint, smells like peppermint. But what's interesting is there is peppermint oil in most of those bottles, but it's not pure essential oil, as in the whole bottle isn't essential oil. There are so many synthetics and fillers in oils that are purchased in big box stores or grocery stores. There's a lot of great oils out there, people, a lot. I use Young Living almost exclusively. It is not the only company that makes amazing essential oils that are safe and effective. There are others. However, there are thousands more that are selling you this and calling it maple syrup. This is maple syrup. It comes from local trees. It's tapped. The ingredient list, you won't find it on the bottle. You know why? Because it's maple syrup. There's nothing else added to it. It's tree sap, boiled down, processed, delicious, heavenly good, no surprises. Essential oils from Young Living, peppermint. Guess what's in here? Peppermint. No solvents. Everything's organic. Nothing you need to worry about. It's safe. It smells fantastic, but it works. What peppermint can do is a whole other ball game. Purification is another. I'm not here to talk about our individual oils. I'm here to give you kind of a warning and a heads up. If you're going to be buying one of those diffusers on sale, yay! Do it. If that's what it takes to get you curious about or using essential oils in your home, however you get started, fantastic. But when it comes to using something that's going to go in the air that you breathe or on your body, please, please, please do your research. Talk to somebody who knows their stuff. A lot of people are learning about essential oils. A lot of people are using essential oils, and they may or may not have a lot of knowledge. I was one of those people. I certainly don't know all that much, but I know a lot more now than I did 2 years ago. And the one message, that the most important thing, my Black Friday message to all of you guys is, don't buy this and expect maple syrup. Don't buy this and expect real geranium oil. Know your stuff, research your oils, buy the absolute best that you can afford. If you want a little bit more information, I am here to help. Happy oiling, everybody.